Most people see fixer-upper homes as money pits. And most people, and lenders for that matter, do not fully understand how to manage the fixer-upper process. Yet, when looking at the real estate market as a whole, there are exponentially more homes that need work than homes that don't. And in reality, many of these homes can be blank canvases for you to build and/or renovate your dream house. And renovation loans, like the FHA 203K loan, allow you to build the cost of renovations into the loan themselves. Next to the mortgage payment by itself, a home's carrying costs, also known as maintenance and utilities, is the second largest financial component of home ownership. Learn how to manage the fixer-upper process more efficiently. Ask us how.